Our next quest for the best award recipient is Citlayi Villaseñor. Citlayi is a senior majoring in chemistry with an emphasis in biochemistry. She has a double minor in honors interdisciplinary studies and cellular and molecular biology. Her involvements include mathematics, engineering, science, achievement program, Society for the Advancement of Chicanx, Hispanics, and Native Americans in STEM, and the American Chemical Society. She has volunteered with the River Blitz San Diego River Park Foundation and Ocean Discovery Institute. She has been honored with the Louise McNally Weber Honor Scholarship and is a Mark Scholar. Citlayi's advisor said of her, Citlayi is an outstanding student, both inside and outside the classroom. Her academic excellence is clear. In addition to that, she's committed to mentoring the next generation of young scientists and to bring science into the community. It is very easy to offer Citlayi my highest recommendation. She represents the best of SDSU and deserves this recognition because she is kind, intelligent, collaborative, and driven. After graduation, Citlayi will attend Northwestern University to research biochemical neurobiology. Citlayi is honoring Thelma Chavez from the College of Sciences. Thelma, thank you for your mentoring. We will now watch a video with some remarks from Citlayi.
Hello everyone, my name is Citlayi Villaseñor, and I'm safe here in San Diego. I'm honored to receive this award because my mentors at San Diego State University supported me to become the woman, community member, and scientist that I am today. I value our San Diego community, and I encourage others to care for one another. We have limited time to enjoy life on Earth, and I believe some of the best ways to spend it are through education, youth empowerment, and community building. I learned a lot about myself this past year, and although it has been difficult, I am growing from my experiences. This fall, my ex-boyfriend and I broke up after almost 4 years together. We failed to communicate our emotions and ideas for so long, and it pushed us apart. We were both depressed and unable to reach out for the help we needed. Studying, researching, applying to PhD programs, and trying to manage my health was overwhelming. It wasn't until a much-loved member of our MARC and IMSD research community passed away that I was finally able to ask for professional help with my emotional problems. After speaking with my therapist and self-reflecting, I realized the necessity for open communication, setting boundaries, and discovering that what is right for me may not be right for everyone. These insights improved my leadership abilities, and I aim to continue developing them during my PhD training and professional career. I would like to thank my very first mentor at SDSU, Thelma Chavez. If it weren't for Thelma's words of encouragement to pursue my dreams, I wouldn't have realized I could have a research and mentoring career in STEM. She has been my #1 supporter in my undergraduate journey, motivating me to do oral research presentations at the Student Research Symposium, apply to scholarships and research opportunities, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Her playful yet no-nonsense attitude has made my life more fun and productive. Thelma is my college mom, always inspiring me to participate in my community and giving me advice when I'm failing. I could not ask for a better mentor to have here at SDSU than Thelma Chavez. I want to thank my mom for always making sure I'm staying healthy and happy. I thank my dad for encouraging me to stay focused on my goals and not lose sight of why I came to college. I thank all of my friends who give me encouragement, advice, and listening ears. I thank Maureen Paolini for nominating me for this award and working with so many of us to improve our applications for PhD programs. I also thank the MARC program for providing professional development opportunities, research experience, and diverse community of friends. When the coronavirus pandemic ends, I will attend Northwestern University to begin my PhD program studying biochemical neurobiology. I would not be where I am today if it weren't for all the passionate and supportive people I have in my life. Thank you all for believing in me.